So, hey everyone, and welcome to the second lab of the third module. And uh, Here we'll be going and learning about the cloud scheduler of Google Cloud. So, firstly, we'll go ahead and start a lab, and we'll launch this lab with 1 credit. What was that? We'll start our lab and launch our lab with 1 credit, and we'll right click on open the Google Cloud console, and then firstly sign in ourselves in. We'll click on I understand, and then we click on I agree and continue, which we have done pretty much. So, basically knows everything about how to start the labs. Okay. We're gonna again continue, and now, firstly, the first thing that we had to do. Now we'll scroll down and see what is our first task. The first task is to enable a cloud scheduler API. So we'll go to the APIs and service and click on library, scheduler, and then click on enable. We'll enable this API. Now we'll activate our cloud shell. So we'll first activate our cloud shell and then obviously click on continue and authorize. And then copy our first command, that is to set up a cloud or PubSub. In the first lab we did it using the console. In the second lab we'll be doing it using command line, because we need to make it as small as possible, like as easy and convenient as possible. So we'll be first creating a cron topic. We'll first use GC Cloud, which is the typical command line first, and we'll use GC Cloud PubSub topics create, and the name of the topic is cron topic. So we'll go ahead and press enter. This is the command that is utilized to create a new topic. Well, you guys obviously understood that. And that we have created the first topic. The name of the topic is cron topic. Then we'll create a subscription for the same cron topic. And press enter. So for that we created our first subscription for the cron topic as well. Now we'll go on in the labs and check our progress. Now we'll create a job. How to create a job, you might ask me. We'll just search here cloud scheduler. We'll open that. Okay. So when you search for cloud scheduler, you land on this page and you can create on the plus sign. You can click on the plus sign and thereby create first job. So we'll name the job as first job, and then scroll down. In frequency, we can use the cron method. You might ask what is the cron method. You can click on this link. It will show you a manual page. Here then you can read all of it and just understand what type of content is how much minutes or hours or seconds. For once, you can just use this every single minute, and you can just copy this and paste it over here just for this lab. You can read that documentation for every other if you want to learn more about it. Now, since we have put this, we have put the frequencies every single minute, and then we select our time zone, which is GMT, IST is India, and then click on continue. In the target type, we'll keep it as publisher and subscriber. Here, and we'll select the cloud, we'll select our subscriber, which is we have one publisher, so we'll select that. And then message body, you can write such as videos is good, and then we'll click on continue once again, and we won't be changing the default settings, so we're going to create the job. Now by this we have created first job, and we can now go and verify if the job works or not by using this command line and pasting it in the CLI. We are setting a limit so that we do not get multiple outputs or multiple messages. This will take you 5 minutes, obviously, since I put the frequency as 5 minutes. We will scroll down, and just by that, we have finished our second lab as well. Yes, that's it. You just had to know about how the cloud scheduling works, and with that, you just easily and very fastly finish your third lab. So we'll just click on end the lab, and then we'll end it. By the way, you need to see that you get 5 messages over here, and this finishes your second lab as well. Make sure you go and just see that you get this 5 times, and if you don't, like I did not, or if you do not get it, then just paste the line once again, going again and again, just like it is mentioned in the lab. Run the command again until you do. You should get the output as this, and you can just end that lab.